Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Note 8 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, go into Play Store, tap on the search bar and type Magic Fluids. Then download this free app from this developer and open it. After that, click on those three lines at the bottom right corner, select Settings and tap on I accept. Then adjust your wallpaper however you want to. When you're done, click at the top right corner and bottom one again, but this time select Set as Live Wallpaper, click on Set Wallpaper and select if you want to set it up on home screen or home screen and lock screen by tapping on one of the options. So now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!